The DeskCAT desktop CT scanner is a state-of-the-art educational CT scanner. It provides real-life CT scanning without the use of radiation. The DeskCAT provides hands-on training in CT scanning, as well as opportunities for experimentation that minimize risk to patient care. Students use the desktop CT scanner to simulate CT scanning protocols used in healthcare settings to diagnose patients. Students at Baptist College are expected to complete CT scan experiments and demonstrate mastery of basic skills needed for using the desktop CT scanner. Baptist College is currently the only college in the Mid-South to own and operate a DeskCAT educational CT scanner. Our faculty work one-on-one with students to provide an exceptional learning experience that is currently being reviewed for academic publication.